While YouTube cash cow channels are one of the easiest ways of making money, most people have found themselves wanting when it comes to the best ways of going about it. Many have attracted copyright strikes or even spent several dollars with no significant progress. In order to avoid these problems and more, join us in this video as we take a look at the complete and easiest guide on how to build the perfect YouTube automation channel.
Shall we begin?
What is YouTube automation? As the name suggests, YouTube automation is when you automate the workflow of your YouTube channel to generate revenue from your videos without showing your face. Such channels are sometimes called faceless YouTube channels or YouTube cash cow channels. Faceless because you don't have to be on camera explaining content to your viewers.
Really?
The hire team combines a number of videos and images to do the explanations. You can outsource a team of freelancers to write scripts, edit your videos, add voiceover, and create thumbnails for your YouTube content. Or hire a team like us and get everything done in one place.
Simple, simple.
In such a case, you're just like a company's CEO, supervising your YouTube content's workflow without actively getting involved in the process. You could even appoint someone to be your CEO if you're looking at the long-term plan and you don't have the time for supervision. Examples of YouTube automation. There are a number of YouTube automated channels marking creating a variety of content and making thousands of dollars as profits. Key examples include Alex. Alex should be your first go-to for everything luxury. This channel makes automated videos about the most expensive houses, cars, lifestyles, etc. It is almost always referenced in major publications such as Forbes, USA Today, etc. and has over 4 million YouTube subscribers. Cold Fusion. With over 3.5 million subscribers on YouTube, Cold Fusion is among the leading automated YouTube channels. This channel focuses on stories about how the world came to be and also current happenings. Watch Mojo. Watch Mojo should be your primary source for all your leading facts about entertainment. They upload 4 or more videos about the top 10 list of music, TV, film, and video games daily. The channel has a whopping 24.8 million YouTube subscribers. Future Tech. This is another faceless YouTube channel that makes videos concerning the leading inventions in technology and gadgets. It has 649,000 subscribers with over 16 million views since 2016. Top 5s. Top 5s create educational and informative content about things around us, ranging from the biggest trees, terrifying bridges, and fastest animals, even to sandcastles, waterways, and several others. The channel has 2.47 million subscribers. As you continue your journey of making money through YouTube automation, you're going to come across loads of information that might be inaccurate and misleading. In order to save yourself the trouble, kindly subscribe to this channel. It will be your trusted companion throughout this journey.
You heard the man. Hit it.
How to make money with YouTube automation. So, how can you stay anonymous while making money from your content? There's a couple of ways. The first and most popular of all is adding ads to your content. But before that, you gotta be part of the YouTube Partnership Program and have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Your content needs to be monetizable as well. You can also sell your personal products, such as online courses, a clothing brand if you have coffee mugs, etc. to your audience. All you need to do is provide a link to your products in your videos. Another option is to become an affiliate marketer. You can partner with brands to market their products in your videos. In return, you can earn a commission for your services. Your channel must be valuable enough to attract such brands or commissions. You can also earn dollars through channel memberships. With this, you offer paid benefits to the paid members of your channel, such as members-only content, loyalty badges, and emojis. If you have a good relationship with your audience and your content are good enough, you can even organize fundraisers for your community of viewers to donate money to you if it need be. How to start YouTube automation channel. You can begin your journey to earning possibly millions from your YouTube automation channel in a few easy steps. First, and obviously, you need to create a YouTube account and set it up. Setting up includes adding a profile logo, creating channel art, and customizing what the channel is about. Make sure the About section includes the right keywords about your channel. Next, you need to figure out a specific niche that your content will focus on. This can be finance, tech, health, luxury, etc. It just has to be valuable enough to attract more ads. The next phase is scripting. You can do this yourself or hire a freelancer to get the job done for you, Or better still, we can handle the process for you. You then have to edit copyright-free photo stocks and videos that will help explain the content of your video. After this, there has to be a voiceover for the video. You can record it yourself. However, it is advisable to hire a professional to add the effects to your video, since they have the tools to deliver quality sound services. Lastly, you will need a thumbnail that gives an idea of the video content, which is eye-catching to let you get better conversions. Repeat these steps as many times as you can daily. The more quality videos you upload, the better your chances of growing your channel faster. In summary, to build the perfect YouTube automation channel, you need a YouTube account, a specific sub-niche, a script that you can write yourself or hire a professional to do for you, a video editor, a voiceover artist, and content-fitting thumbnails. You know what to do now, but that's not all. There are a couple of don'ts you need to know. You need to ensure your content also adheres to the YouTube community guidelines. Your video should not portray nudity or sexual content, should not contain violent and harmful acts, does not misinform, and should not engage in spamming and deceptive practices. Best YouTube automation tools to use. Setting up your YouTube automation channel is not all you need to do. You can get stuck with almost no views and subscribers for a long time if you don't use YouTube automation tools to push your content. Both recommended and not recommended tools will be discussed, so you know what you're getting yourself into when someone wrongfully recommends a device that is not needed for you. Here are some of the best YouTube automation tools. vidIQ. vidIQ offers some of the best tips, tricks, and guides to gain more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. It is a tool you can use to manage and optimize your channel and learn the right actions you need to take to grow your YouTube channel. It has features such as the vidIQ Competitors tool, which you can use to track why your competitors are attracting better views and subscribers, vidIQ Analytics, Subscriber Analytics, Keyword Research feature, and even a feature to suggest the best time to post videos for better engagements. You can also opt for TubeBuddy, a similar tool you can use to optimize your channel for higher YouTube visibility. Jasper AI. This is another tool you can use to write your YouTube automation scripts. It is an artificial intelligence tool that writes content such as blog articles, social media posts, website content, etc. It is a faster and cheaper tool to get your content scripted. However, we don't recommend it for your YouTube channel. It is not worth it compared to a creative person writing the script for you. It is only best if you are on a low budget to pay for a team, which we don't recommend as it makes the work look cheap. There are other AI writing tools that you need to stay away from as much as possible. Grammarly. This is one of the best tools to get your YouTube scripts on the highest of levels. Grammarly helps you correct grammatical structures and errors in your script that you hardly detect and ensures all understand it. Although this is not always 100% accurate, you can't rely on it entirely, so you need to double check things for yourself if you're going to do everything yourself. Canva. You can design your YouTube channel using the free-to-use Canva tool. You don't need to be experienced to use Canva. It offers a variety of templates and images to choose from. Designing with Canva is great, as it offers free services. However, if you want the best thumbnail designs needed for the highly competitive YouTube market, then we recommend you use paid services of professionals to get the job done. Or if you are familiar with Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, you can create a custom one yourself. Text-to-speech tools. If you can't add voiceover to your YouTube videos and cannot afford the services of a professional voiceover artist, you can opt for free versions of text-to-speech tools that can convert words from your script into audio. Examples of such tools include Balabolka, Natural Reader, Amazon Polly, Speechify, etc. YouTube bots. This is a shortcut to get more engagement on your YouTube videos. They are tools that can generate views, subscribers, and comments for your videos, and even add videos to playlists. However, the penalty for such shortcuts is not worth it. It can go a long way to affect your channel's performance, and even get it banned from YouTube if such a bot malfunctions or is programmed wrongly. Examples of such bot websites include Viral HQ, Easy Viral, Use Viral, Sides Media, Media Mister, Bulkoid, etc. If you have already used any of the above-mentioned tools, kindly share your experience with us in the comment section below. YouTube automation niche ideas. This is arguably the most important aspect to consider when creating an automated YouTube channel. The niche you will focus on will determine how much traffic and engagement your video can attract. Let's look at some of the niche ideas for your YouTube channel. Tech. Technology is a key area that you can focus on for your YouTube videos. Day in and day out, new technologies are being invented, and as such, you can be almost always assured of new content ideas. It generates high revenue as well. Tech in general is broad. You need to target a specific audience by creating specific sub-niche videos. Examples of such sub-niches include artificial intelligence, virtual reality games, smart devices, etc. Finance. This is arguably the most profitable niche you can focus on. Viewers are constantly in search of new financial ideas to multiply their income. So, if you can provide in-depth financial knowledge, you can be sure you will attract many viewers to your channel. You can gain more revenue from ads as well. Advertisers prefer to market their products on such financial channels. This is because they believe viewers are most likely to purchase products endorsed by these financial experts, providing financial advice. Some sub-niches you can focus on are cryptocurrency investments, financial planning, stock investments, new streams of income, budgeting, savings, avoiding debts, etc. Health. Health is wealth. This is why people constantly search for how to manage and improve their health. You can focus on health sub-niches such as bodybuilding, dieting, skincare, yoga, mental health care, etc. Are YouTube automation courses worth it? There's a number of online YouTube automation courses claiming to help YouTubers grow their channels within the shortest time possible. This is not always true. There is neither a shortcut to heaven nor an easy path to success. It'll take you some time for your channel to grow before you begin to gain some profits from it. Most YouTube automation courses will hide this painful fact from you. We don't recommend any of these automation courses, at least for some. They come with huge prices and are not as effective as they claim. If you follow the steps explained in this video, you can be assured of growing your channel without incurring as many financial costs. Speaking of ineffective strategies, one of them is buying fake views and subscribers for your YouTube channel. While it might appear as a decent option in the short term, there are several downsides to it. Watch our next video to find out exactly why you need to stop buying fake views.